It's Kathy here with Crunchy Cleaning by Kathy. I own an eco-friendly cleaning business here in the Poconos, Pennsylvania. So I just want to do a quick video and show you how I mop floors with my Thieves Cleaner. So first off, let me show you, I love using the Libman Freedom Mop. It has these little teeth on the bottom that you can see that you would put your microfiber pad on. So I use that mop, and it's green, which is my business color. This is the spray that comes with the spray bottle that comes with the mop. I love it because the hole is really big. So when you pour your solution into it, you're not spilling it all over the place because it's a very big opening. So you snap that. I already have my Thieves Cleaner in here, but I'm going to show you how I do it. This is my Thieves bottle. I'm going to go like here. There you go. You can see me better. This is my Thieves bottle, which is what I use to, oops, my phone was falling, to clean a house or an office or what have you. I can clean literally everything. So I already made the solution. It's 1 cap to 30 ounces of water. This is a 32-ounce spray bottle from Home Depot, so 32 ounces is fine too of water if you do 1 cap to it. The recommended is 1 for 30, 32 is not bad. If you want to do 2 caps for 30 ounces, that just gives you more grease cutting, germ fighting power. It just doubles the strength. I love this Home Depot bottle because, again, the mouth is huge, the opening. So you put the water in first, and then you add 1 cup of the Thieves concentrated cleaner in after the water. If you put the cleaner in first and then the water, it's going to suds up. It's going to sud up and get all bubbly as you fill the water, and then you're going to lose some of your liquid gold, and you don't want that. So here's my bottle. Since it's already made, what I did was I take it from here, pour it into there, and now I have my solution. And why I love these type of mops, these spray mops, is because I'm not losing my liquid gold, my cleaning solution. Because when I'm done cleaning, it just stays in here and I could just use it for the next home or for the next client. So I'm not losing my solution. As opposed to where mop and bucket, after you're done mopping, you dump out whatever water is left, and then you're losing your cleaning solution. This one stays in here. And it always squirts out clean liquid because it's in here, as opposed to a mop and bucket where you're putting the mop back in the dirty water and putting it back on the ground. Or you could do a double mop where you put it in the clean water and then in the soapy water, or the soapy water and the clean water. You know what I mean? But it's not my favorite thing. But in some situations you have to use a mop and bucket. But in this case, I like using the spray mop. So my pad is already pre-moistened. I wet it just a little bit to make it a little bit easier when you're mopping. If not, if it's dry, it'll just be a little bit rougher as you push it. But the more solution you spray, the more it's going to get wet. So I just pre-wet it a little bit. And you can see this is the pad that comes with the Libman mop. It's pretty thick, as you can see, and very scrubby. See all the texture on it from the microfiber. So microfiber is great because the fibers are there's thousands of them, and they're very interwoven tightly. So it's great at picking up dirt and particles and germs. So it's a lot better than cotton when it comes to cleaning. So I'm just going to show you really quick. I like doing a little S pattern so I don't go over what I just mopped. So I spray and then bring it to the edge and again. And since it's a kitchen, I like to really kind of get under those, or get close to the refrigerator, the sink, the oven, especially underneath or close to the edges of those areas, because those are the areas that got a lot of, crumbs and dirt and liquid spills. Oh, and garbage cans too, where the garbage can is. So yeah, so just go back and forth. I'm going to kind of step over that so I can turn my phone off, and mop with your Thieves Cleaner, and then you could use the bottle to clean the rest of the place. So it's a win-win. Alrighty, if you have any questions, drop me a line and I'll see you next time. Bye.